Hello everyone and welcome to the video. I am currently videoing our bedroom for the Lucid adjustable bed that we just received yesterday. My wife would probably kill me if she knew that I was showing the bedroom right now, but that's a story for another time. I'm just doing a little review of the Lucid bed, and I pulled my bedding back on the bottom just so you can kind of see it. And see what it looks like. I was a little skeptical to see if this would actually fit in our bed frame, and it does. As you can see, I bought two twins for my king size bed, and if I lift it up right here, you can see they're underneath. This holds the mattress in place when you lift it. It comes with a remote for both sides, but however, if you want to sync them together, it's really easy to sync. You click a few buttons and the directions are very thorough, very clear. What else can I say about it? It plugs into the back. Obviously needs power to lift and raise from both the front and the back. I'll show you how easy it is to lift the front right now. As you can see, it's lifting up my bed in the front, lifting the pillows. It's so easy, and it'll lift it up. My mattress isn't very flexible, and it still works. I was a little nervous about my mattress as well. So I got the two twins, set it up super easy, took me less than 5 minutes. The bed itself, the adjustable beds are kind of heavy, and it says you need two people to kind of do it, which you do. However, that being said, it's easy to use. As you can see underneath, it's lifted. That right there, that cord is for my cell phone charger. There's 4 USB chargers underneath each twin, so we have 8 total chargers, which I mean you'll never use, but hey, you have it in case you do need it. So that's the front raise. This is where your feet lay. If you can tell, that's being raised as well, and it's kind of leveling out just because my mattress isn't bending because no one's on it. Like I said, my mattress isn't very flexible, but that would bend. Your feet would be raised, your butt would be kind of sitting low, and your back would be up against that. And like I said, what's nice about this is it has those bars in place so your mattress doesn't slide, so in case you don't have a flexible mattress, it still works, and it works great. The remote, just a little bit about it, has the up and down for your feet, up and down for your back. This is a little flashlight in case you need it. The M kind of gives it an M shape when you're laying in it as well, so it kind of looks like this. So you can automatically click it and it'll adjust it for you. And this flat is, hey, I'm all done, I'm gonna lay just completely flat. You just click it once and everything goes back to where it was. It's very cool. Like I said, my wife and I are just getting used to it. We've only had it for a couple nights, but we are sleeping great. We get our feet raised a little bit, have a little bit arched back, and we both have had great night's sleep. Another thing too is that I ordered this on Amazon because I get Prime, so I thought, hey, this will be here in 2 days. Ordered it on Wednesday, said it would be here on Monday, and next thing you know, on Friday, it was at my doorstep waiting. So it got here super fast, unboxed it, put it all together, and it was a piece of cake. I really recommend this Lucid adjustable bed. No complaints. The chargers work well. The remote works great. It's just a click of a button and you're propped up so you can watch TV or anything, just sleep better in general. So overall, I get it 5 stars, and I really recommend it. If you're not sleeping great, this is something you should look into. It's cheap, it's affordable, and like I said, it'll work with any mattress, and 2 twins will fit a king, and it'll also fit inside your current bed frame for a king size mattress. So that's all I have for that. Thanks guys.